1, 2, 3, 5. He can't even count anymore.
But ain't this change anything?
Are you done?
Nothing.
I've been here before. I see.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Damn it! My car! My car! No, my fucking car! I wanna save it. I'll fucking save it! Damn it! No!
Sit back and keep quiet.
Just stick to the plan. I know, damn, it's a patrol car.
I see it.
Whoa. What the fuck? I just trapped myself! The driving that I have, oh my god. I can tell you that I am the most stupid guy ever. We're here. We're here. If I could stop! Damn it. What is that? What?
Private recorder, alright? Okay.
What the fuck? Whoa. Whoa. What the fuck is that? What the hell is that? What the fuck? Holy shit. What the fuck was that? You're dead. Oh my god, the corpse launch. Wow. Whoa! The corpse launch! The fucking corpse launch is real. Wait a minute! It's this guy? What the fuck? Oh my god. Where am I supposed to go next? Okay, wait a minute. What the fuck? Is this this guy is fucking, oh my god. That hair looks like pieces of shit. Come on. Come on. Die. Holy shit. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're dead. Just get over it.
You want a piece of the cash? I can cut you in.
I want to shoot him. I want to kill him. Where is he? I don't leave anybody behind, bitch. I kill people. That's what I do. Come on. You're not gonna... You didn't see me? You didn't see me? Huh? You didn't see me, bitches? No, nobody sees me. Do you see me? I don't see you. Fuck you. Shut up. What are you shooting? What are you shooting?
I know what you saw there.
That's what you get for shooting nothing, bitch. Come on. What do you got? What do you got, bitch? What do you got? Is that all you got? What? You're alive? You're fucking... I can hear you screaming, bitch. Shut up. Come on. Wow. The headshots. You wanna kill me? You ain't killing me, bitch. You're not killing me. No, idiot. Idiot. You're an idiot. Come on. Is that all you got? Oh, he's alive? Are you done talking or what? Okay, I guess yes. So fuck you.